Such a big boy sitting up.
Say hey to everyone again. You just said, oh, say it again.
Don't let those hiccups distract you.
Say hey, Daddy.
Say
Oh,
hi.
say hey.
Hi.
Hey. How about a burp?
Let's give him a burp.
Ooh.
Darn hiccups. What you looking at? Let's look at the camera. Hey. Hey, buddy. Say hi. Whoa.
Timber.
Oh, you didn't like that very much.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you like the kisses.
Yeah. Ooh.
Hiccup. We should send this to all your grandparents. What do you think, Kason? You think so?
Oh.
Yep, I think that was a head nod.
Your burp.
Alright, we're not going to film any crying, so we're going to sign off.
Oh, yeah, go
Wow.
ahead.